Here we have an application problem. It says, suppose the rate of flow of an 80-foot wide river is given by the equation r equals negative 0.01 x squared plus 0.8x, where r is the rate in miles per hour and x is the distance from shore in feet. It says Joaquin does not want to paddle his canoe against a current that's faster than 5 miles per hour. At what distance from the bank must he paddle in order to avoid a current of 5 miles per hour? In other words, on this particular problem, we want r to equal to 5. So I'm going to put 5 equals negative 0.01 x squared plus 0.8x. Now notice I got this coefficient of x squared of being negative 0.01, so I want to get rid of that. So I'm going to divide everything by negative 0.01. So 5 divided by negative 0.01 is negative 500. X squared, 8 divided by negative 0.01 is negative 80x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the side here. I'm going to take half of my middle term, so half of negative 80, and I'm going to square that. Well, half of negative 80 is negative 40. I square that, I get 1,600. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1,600 to both sides. So 1,600 minus 500 is 1,100. I'll factor my right-hand side, so I'll get x minus the square root of 1,600 is 40. So x minus 40 squared. Well, then I'll take the square root of both sides. So I'll get the square root of 1,100 equals the absolute value of x minus 40. Well, to get rid of my absolute value, I'll make two cases. So I'll say x minus 40 equals plus or minus the square root of 1,100. Then to get x by itself, we're going to add 40 to both sides. So x equals 40 plus or minus the square root of 1,100. So then I'll use my calculator. So I'll go 40 plus the square root of 1,100. And I get 73.17. Or just 73 maybe. If I take 40 minus the square root of 1,400, or 1,100, I get 6.83. Ooh. So what happens is Joaquin could travel between 6.8 feet or 73.17 feet. Well, that's pretty much 7 feet, right? So he must travel within 7 feet of either shore. Notice if I take 80 minus 73.17, I get 6.83. So as long as he's within 7 feet, he'll be fine.